Welcome to your blueprint for escaping the rat race and securing rural financial freedom. We're exploring 10 shockingly affordable Tennessee farmhouses with Acreage. Why Tennessee? It offers a perfect formula for unmatched financial and personal freedom. No state income tax, low property taxes, riparian water rights, and 4 distinct seasons with a long growing period. Land costs drop significantly as you move away from Nashville and major metros. Buying 20-plus acres can reduce the per-acre cost by up to 85% compared to small lots near the city. We've categorized the dirt cheap showcase into 4 tiers: mega acreage estates, unrestricted homesteads, big updates done deals, and bottom dollar bargains. Let's dive in. Tier 1 offers serious land and potential. Property 1, Bethel Springs, provides 30 wooded acres with a historic farmhouse. Property 2, Linden, is 39 acres with an off-grid setup, needing only interior finishing. Next are the rare finds. Property 3 in Etowah includes 2 homes, ideal for multi-generational living or rental income. Property 4 in Spencer is a water feature deal, with a pond and creek, a rarity at this price point. Tier 2 is the homestead sweet spot, with no HOA or rules. Madisonville offers total freedom on 5 unrestricted acres. Lansing is ready for animals with 3 acres and a turnkey barn setup for livestock. Tier 3 properties are under $100,000 with the hard work finished. Property 7 in Humboldt includes a new roof, windows, and flooring. Property 8 in Pinson offers 5 acres, a hunting cabin, and 2 ponds for recreation or a custom off-grid build. Tier 4 features the ultimate dirt cheap steals. Property 9, a 1950s log home in Camden, requires heavy repair and is cash only. Property 10 in Goodspring, at $40,000, needs TLC, but offers an unbeatable price point for the size and acreage. Here's the dirt cheap reality check. Be mindful of costs related to water wells, septic systems, and financing, especially for properties under $80,000, which often require cash or specialized rehab loans. Tennessee's Greenbelt law is a best-kept secret. By acquiring 15-plus acres and actively farming it, you can qualify for an agricultural assessment. This legally reduces property taxes by 50% to 75%. True wealth encompasses financial security, personal freedom, and mental space. The window for these prices is closing. View the land now and find your quiet life.